recently Michelle Fonso sleeping. Okay. And we're having our family. Recently Michelle Fonso sleeping. We're having our family brunch at home block for the World Cup Singapore. May 8, 2026. This Listen Boy, the retired man. At home block for the World Cup Singapore. Our family brunch. Okay, we're having a fried bihon, Chinese style. Okay, with the bean paste, and fried chicken and ham and lanchon, chorizo bibaw with potato side. Okay, enjoy folks at home black for the World Cup Singapore, our family brunch. Enjoy Singapore, May 8, 2026. Enjoy Singapore. Let's listen for the retired man. Listen to Mutual Folks. Enjoy folks, Singapore.